COVID-19 antigen rapid test operation for self-testing. Gather the materials. Test strip, empty test tube, elution buffer, swab, IFU. Wash your hands before and after the test. Add elution buffer into test tube. Insert the tip of the swab into nostril and wipe each nostril for 5 circles. Wipe each nostril for at least 15 seconds. Insert the swab with the sample. Elute the swab by rotating up and down for at least 30 seconds. Break the swab at the breakpoint. Use the part of the swab in your hand to push the remaining part into the narrow elution tank at the bottom of the tube. Take out the test strip. Insert the blue part of the test strip into the center of the cap. Close the tube. Keep the swab behind the strip, and do not move it until you receive the test result. Read the test result on the test strip within 15 to 30 minutes. Result interpretation. Positive. 2 red lines appears. Negative. Only line C appears red. Invalid. There is no line C. If the line C is still colorless after retest, please contact the manufacturer or the local supplier. The tested materials should be put into garbage bags to be disposed together with the domestic waste according to local regulations.